Well, hello friends. It has been a few years since I posted on YouTube, but today I thought it would be fun to share my apartment tour. This is not my first apartment. This is my second apartment that I've lived in by myself, but my first apartment never really felt very homey to me. It was brand new and like very modern, and to me that just doesn't feel very like welcoming or inviting. So in September I moved here, and this was a house built in the late 1890s, and not gonna lie, the first little bit I was here I was convinced that like it was haunted, or maybe nothing's happened, but I was just paranoid that something would happen. But I love this apartment so much more than my last one because it does feel homey to me. There is character. The apartment I live in now is again, an old house that was divided up into 4 apartments, and mine is on the main floor, which I love. It's very convenient. My last apartment, I wanted it to be on the 2nd floor. I don't know why, so I could get a better view, I guess, but the view is not worth all the stairs. Another thing that I really like about this apartment is that it's just a couple blocks away from downtown, which is really fun because there's always something going on, but yet I'm like far enough away. Like I live in like a neighborhood, which I really love, and I think that is really fun. I had really wanted to renovate this place a little bit because some of it is old and not very like cute. So I wanted to put like peel and stick wallpaper. Like thought it'd be really cute to put like just this back wall with some fun little wallpaper, or like my kitchen or my bathroom, like put peel and stick tiles down. But I don't know if I'm gonna get around to that because I'm just not totally sure that when my lease is up I'm gonna stay here. Because this place feels more homey to me, I have decorated more than I ever did in my last apartment. Everything's still work in progress, but I just thought it'd be fun to share where I am right now decorating this apartment, especially when it's your first apartment and you're kind of on a budget. A lot of my stuff is cheap from Target or like Wayfair or Goodwill, so I'm excited to share all of that with you. All right, well, let's get into the tour. All right, so when you walk into my apartment, this is what you see. And right here I have this cute little entry table, which is from Target, and all my little decorations are from Target. And with every season I swap this stuff out. Like in the spring I'll put like flowers here instead of this little tree. Then I just hang my keys here. And then my favorite, I just love this. Like I just love the way this house was built. Anyway, right here I have a little closet. It's under the stairs. And there's like a closet inside of the closet, and those are the stairs. And it is full. This is definitely my storage closet. Across from there I have this closet, and in this one I put all of my outerwear, and I keep my hats up there, and then my shoes. This is just kind of my outerwear closet, which is really helpful to have right here. And then this mirror, which I love, I use every day. So here is a view of my front door and the whole entryway. My rug is also from Target. All right, now onto the living room. I have this cute little plant that I love. I got this from Tuesday Morning. I feel like it doesn't look super fake. I don't know, I like that. These chairs used to be on my patio at my old apartment, but I don't have a patio now, so now they are indoor chairs. I think those are from Wayfair. My favorite thing is this rug. It's originally from Amazon for probably like 200 bucks, but I found it on Facebook Marketplace for $20. And then I had to clean it because it was pretty dirty, but I love it. And this coffee table is from TJ Maxx. I have a little plant. Now onto my little entertainment stand. I think I got that from Wayfair also. Just have some of my little decorations. I got this sound bar for Christmas, and it's my favorite thing ever. Like, it just sounds so much better. I got this cute little train from Target. Then I have these 2 little brown leather chairs from Target that I also love. Over here, this is my new favorite addition to this living room. I got this lamp from Amazon. It was like $200, which I think is a bit much, but I love it. I think it's so stunning. Then I have this plant, which I got for my birthday last year. What's it called? A fiddle leaf fig. Then sadly, oh my gosh, no, look. It has a bacterial infection, so I think it's pretty much done for, but for now it's a fun little decoration. And then up here, I just have this cute little mirror that I thrifted. And then some pictures of my friends. This little side table I also got from Target, and I think the plant is from Target. And then I thrifted these two little candle holders. I'm kind of in the market for a new couch because I have a pet bunny, and there's just like some stains where I tried to clean up after him, and then like one of these little buttons is popped out. But other than that, I think it's a nice looking couch. All of the pillows and the blanket is from Target, and as is this little poof here. I love this. Every night for dinner, I take it and I set it next to my little coffee table, and I watch TV and eat my dinner. All right, now moving along from the living room, over here I have my kitchen and kind of a little office area right now too. All right, so in my kitchen, I really love these big old windows. And that is my view, as you can see. I don't hate it. Most of my view is just of this other house, but as you can see, yeah, I do live in a neighborhood, and I really love that. And then I have this cute little kitchen mat. I thought that it would tie into the walls, but this mat is way more blue, and my walls are more green, but it's still cute. Then back behind my sink, I just keep these little plants that are also not doing so hot, but that's okay. And then I have this vine. This looks very plasticky to me. I think this was like $3 from Target, so for $3, not too bad. Onto my fridge, I got these really cute little magnetic frames from Target. I really love them. And then I just have some other little pictures. And back behind my stove, I have these cute little vases I found at Goodwill. I love them. This little candle holder is also from Goodwill. And then this little vintage gal is from one of my dad's customers. And I think she's supposed to be a planter, so I did put a plant in there, and I think it's very cute. And that is pretty much the kitchen. Something kind of weird is then through this door is actually my bathroom. As for the bathroom, right here is my sink. Again, kind of a lack of storage in the bathroom, which I do not love because I have a lot of things. This does open up, but I just have a lot more things that don't fit in there. Then I have my toilet. Super exciting. I keep a stool here because this, like, I don't even know if this video shows how ridiculous this is. I literally can't fit anything up there. So I have a stool, because I can't even reach the first shelf without it. Then I have this cute little sign from Target. These are also from Target. That plant is from Target. All from Target. And then a little basket of toiletries. And my shower curtain and rug, also from Target. So now walking back through the living room. Sorry, I feel like I'm breathing so hard. This is my bedroom. Right, so my little table is from Target. I think they were $50 each, which I thought was pretty good. However, I did assemble them incorrectly, so they kind of are super wobbly, but whatever. I think they would be really cute if I just added some hardware to them. I think that would really elevate them. The lamps are from Target. The bed, I think, is from Wayfair. I really love it. It's kind of farmhousey, but I love it. I just got these new sheets from Target. I think they're so cute. I love them. Here is my other bedside table. I got these baskets and they fit perfectly in there. Again, just for more storage. I got those from, I think, Ross. And then here we are. And then this was also from Target for $100. So in total, $200 for some bedroom furniture. Not too bad. I love this. This is a little Lazy Susan for all my jewelry. I got this at an antique store like 8 years ago, but I love it. And then this mirror I got from Facebook Marketplace, thinking that it would replace this one, but I kind of like this one more, but that one's still cute. All right, so my closet is very small. I should probably utilize that shelf up there. I have it. It's just too tall. Like, all of this stuff is way too tall for, this is an apartment for tall people. But I do have this shoe rack for all my jeans, so that really helps keep things a little bit more organized. And then I have like little pants holder for all of my skirts. It's kind of a mess, kind of disorganized. Under here I have a shelf, and I have some pants under there as well. And then over here, I got this really pretty little gold mirror from Amazon. I love it. This is like a little sewing bench. I got this at Goodwill, and I just keep a bunch of my purses in there. It's perfect. I just got this one. I kind of forgot about it. It's stunning. All right, then I have this little cart, which is what I use to store my makeup. Also from Target. And I got these cute little jars from probably Goodwill. I don't love it. I feel like it's kind of a mess. Like, I hope to find some other system for storing my makeup, but for now, that is what we have. All right, so that is the end of my apartment tour. I might post an updated one, like if I do end up doing any of those kind of renovations that I want to do. But other than that, this is where I live and I love it, and thank you for watching. I recently just got a new car, so I'm hoping to get some cute little car decor and then film a little video for that. See you next time.